We are now being joined by Bharatiya Janata Party's MLA from Udhampur East, Ranbir Singh Pathania. Mr. Pathania, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Mr. Pathania, J&K Assembly once again witnessed ruckus and uproar over the issue of Waqf law. The National Conference MLAs are demanding a discussion on this issue. They are saying that they will not allow the House to run till a discussion is held on this issue. Speaker has already rejected their demand, but the National Conference remains adamant.
Deceit, doublespeak, duplicity, demagogy. This has sunk deep into the veins of National Conference, and this is what the political history of Jammu Kashmir also speaks of. You cannot discuss an issue which is sub judice before any court of law, and if it is Supreme Court, then the issue is very serious. This is not what Pathania, BJP or even the Speaker says. This is what the Assembly Rules of Procedure say. This is what the Constitution speaks. This is what the practice and the precedent says. And once there is a specific ruling in this regard given by the Speaker again and again, but really diabolical, that ruling party will stall the House, ruling party will not allow the House to function, ruling party will virtually steal away the time of the poor, the oppressed, the exploited, and those who don't have a voice, the voiceless also. This is really unfortunate, and it needs to be condemned in all specific terms, and whatsoever we may call it as. This is an all-time low in the parliamentary history of Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly.
Mr. Pathania, People's Conference Chief and People's Conference MLA from Handwara is alleging that there is a fixed match between the BJP and National Conference, and National Conference is staging a drama in the Assembly, and if National Conference is really serious about the issue of Waqf law, then they must bring a no confidence motion against the Speaker, and new Speaker should be, elected, and then a discussion should be held.
There is a fixed match, but that fixed match is between People's Democratic Party, between National Conference and all the fringe elements who have been earning their political livelihood while spreading rumors, half-truths, half-baked truths, hallucinations, that even on the political spectrum of Kashmir. I need to put a very sweet and a simple question to each and everybody who has been singing lullabies and scoring 4s and 6s on this IPL pitch of Kashmir. Let me ask them a very sweet and a simple question. A law which has been passed by both the houses of the parliament, a law which has received the presidential assent also. So can this assembly, or whether this assembly has the power to amend it, to repeal it, to give new shape or new modifications to it? And once you don't have a power to amend it, to modify, to give new shape or new color to it, how could you discuss it? And how could you send a recommendation to this effect? So this is simply a play to the gallery reaction by the ruling and treasury benches. They are not ready to accept the wisdom behind the decision of the Speaker. They are not ready to accept the ruling of their own party president, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, what he has said on media.
So, Mr. Pathania, what's going to be the strategy of the BJP on this issue in the Assembly? Because already 2 days have been wasted. Now only 1 day is left as far as this session of J&K Assembly is concerned. What's going to be your strategy now?
Bharatiya Janata Party wants that the House should resume. Bharatiya Janata Party wants that the business of the House should be transacted. Bharatiya Janata Party wants that the people's issue needs to be discussed. Bharatiya Janata Party wants...
Do you want an extension as far as this session is concerned?
Should have been, because very important resolutions, very important bills, very important call attention motions, they have not been taken up due to this unseen, uncalled for and absolutely unjustified commotion and obstruction created by the ruling party members. This House should be extended and the people's voice should be heard to discuss, to deliberate. This is the essence and the edifice of a political system of an elected setup, and I think to discuss and deliberate should be there. We should discuss, we should debate, to expose, oppose and depose. This is the primary right of every political party and especially the opposition parties, and we should be allowed that right. That's it.
Many thanks for speaking to India today.
Thank you very much. Namaskar.
So that was Ranbir Singh Pathania, spokesperson of Jammu and Kashmir BJP and BJP's MLA from Udhampur East, clearly saying that National Conference is wasting the time of the assembly and is playing politics over the issue of Waqf law. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.